Ragnarok was as inviting as a headache, flickering and flashing to a machine gun beat. The belly of the nightclub was a gothic theme park that began with bondage games and led to the nasty stuff from there. I knew it was a long shot, Angelo Punchinello actually showing up, but there was no crime in hoping. The mobsters had been guarding a real treasure. Punchinello was burning to get me. The feeling was mutual. He was trying to put out my flames with gasoline.
Take vampire movies. Why are they always set in LA or Mexico? They can't even get a tan.
Casualty status?
I don't know, man. I don't know. What?
He was dead. I could tell by the empty, accusing stare of his eyes. I had dreamed of revenge. Those dreams were always nightmares, of coming close and then failing. Now I was close.
Yo! Hold it! Hey! It's pain!
In death, the thug had been promoted to messenger.
Yo!
I'll kill you, you lousy freaking cop!
Hey,
You're dead, Pete! Kill him! Kill him! Oh!
hold it! There he is! Get him!
Pain!
Vinny Gognitti was running scared. He knew where his boss was, and I wanted to square things up with Jack Lupino. Gognitti would be moving fast. I don't know about angels, but it's fear that gives men wings.
Yo! Hold it!
There was no glory in this. I hadn't asked for this crap.
Kill him! Kill him!
It's him! Go get him! Whack the sucker!
It's Pain! Shoot the bastard!
Get him! Hey, Yo! Hey! What the? Yo! Hey, there he is!
A bad cop on the take. A cowardly right-hand man fleeing from the scene, leaving his paid thugs to do his dirty work.
Hey! Yo!
I had no illusions. I was not one of them. I was no hero. Just me and the gun and the crook. My options had decreased to a singular course.
Hey, get him! Ice up! Gun him down! Hey!
Open, goddammit!
That's big.
The trick in my situation was that there was no trick, no matter what the movies tell you. No rules, no secret mantra, no roadmap. It was chaos and luck.
What the? What the hell?
Things were fast going from bad to worse.
Pain to the max!
Pain in the butt.
No begging, no bribes, honor among killers. We who were about to die, both of us knew how this would end. It was an impressive floor show, but I decided to leave early anyway. It was only a one-story fall. Lucky me.
What the?
I had taken on the role of the mythic detective, Bogart as Marlowe, or as Sam Spade going after the Maltese Falcon to unravel all the mysteries, following a path of clues to that final revelation, even if it would take me down to the cold, cavernous depths of a grave.